For this video, I'd like to show you how to participate in a discussion in Canvas. So we're already at the assignment. So we're down here, and to participate in an online discussion, we're going to click here to access the discussion page. And here you can see the assignment. The class is an organism, and your body is organized into organ systems like digestion, respiration, and nervous. Each system has a special job and performs essential functions needed for the organism to live. So the classroom is very similar, with students and teachers performing essential jobs to contribute to the class. Some are the class clowns who ensure our entertainment. Some are the brains who always have the right answers. And so for this discussion, think about the jobs that must be done in the classroom and the roles that teachers and students take on. So in the discussion board, write at least 2 of these. And so it goes on and it tells you instructions on what to post. So you're going to go down here to the reply button, and you'll be able to type in your answer or the discussion. So I am the nucleus, can't type, of the classroom. I have and bring in new information for all of my students. And that's just a little sample. And so we would then post that. And then other people can reply to your post. You can reply to other posts. And so it's like having a discussion in class.